Shatawale fires Stonebwoy and Sarkodie after winning 8 awards at the just ended 3 Music Awards. More of this coming up in a bit.
Some award scheme come out where they say, no, the guy, the way they try, make we give public the vote, make we see something. The public never lie.
Hi guys, Lisa Bio here with P News. 3 Music Awards just like VGMA, but this one was organized by TV3. And this is the second edition, which was held in March this year, which saw so many artists taking awards home, such as Shatawale, Stonebwoy, Medical, and Kwesiata, and the likes. Well, fans of Stonebwoy and Sarkodie were not happy after Shatawale took home 8 awards. They claim he bribed the organizers of the 3 Music Awards. In a live video on his official page, Shatawale came out to say he never ever bribed those awards, but then it was his hard work which got him those 8 awards. Also, organizers of 3 Music Awards came out to clear up Shatawale's name, saying the fans were giving 70% and the board were giving only 30%. So most of SM fans voted for him and he won those 8 awards. Sarkodie didn't win any at all. Stonebwoy took home only 3, which got most of his fans, or should I say most of Stonebwoy and Sarkodie's fans, talking. Before we show you the live video Shatawale did on his Facebook page, check out the trending photo of him crying. This got Beam fans and Sac Native trolling him. They were saying that indeed he has a Bena Bumath, and also Ahonfe de Onibi Kra. The manager of Stonebwoy, Black City, came out to say the award is very, very cheap and also a joke. Well, he didn't say that last year when Stonebwoy took home award. But because Stonebwoy took home 3 and Shatawale took home 8, he came out tweeting that 3 Music Award is in fact a joke and also very, very cheap. Well, check out this live video Shatawale did, saying that his hard work got him those 8 awards.
Some award scheme come out where they say, no, the guy, the way they try, make we give public the vote, make we see something. The public never lie. The public, they never lie. That's why when our leaders, and thanks to every president who come to Ghana, say they decide with the public. Because imagine say, the public, imagine say, if parliament where they look for president for we, parliament, they go be serious. Hey, like the country no go be easy, like parliament. The parliament go fit decide, okay, this ship won't make this one chop president. Hey, what you want make the people do? The people know them, the people where they want. So you know if we decide for the people. Leave the people make they decide. But you see, when you say you have board, academy, I'm not sure say Bank of Ghana, go fit talk every bank, say it be only doctors where they want make they can't save for the money for. If Fita come with dirty, no, not save them. If Mokola woman come with dirty, don't save money for that. If this, cause you get some brand. That's branding people they use for the industry before stop because they don't know them the word used where. Branding. Yeah, branding. You know what be branding? Branding. People just they use the word anyhow because branding for come with some your dress. No. Bank of Ghana can decide like that. Say, okay, all the banks, no, it be doctors and nurses we they for save for. If it be somebody where they can say we know they dress well. Hey, maybe you know go bank where you see allergy where they can't save money before. They bring Ghana must go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where they bring come. Where they come to bank for bank. Allergy. If you hear allergy in friend go say onion farmer buy get money. Will they take the thing they do play? People just for music industry. Take the industry like it be their own. They fit decide for the country, for the people. Hey, like if they do show, make the music in the industry place, make they come the show. Make they don't make the public come. But if they take money for the public, the people they can't pay and can't sit down and enjoy the show. Why they do promo? Say, oh, they do show for it, they do show make people come. Why they do promo? But if people have decided, say if the award, you won't decide. Hey, you don't be classroom, my nigga. People pay studio bill. People pay for videos. Because they know say they get fans. The fans go support them to push the videos, make views go on for YouTube. If the award, they go vote for them in turns. People pay. If people know artists with the hustle, like me, I hustle. and hustle for Ghana here. But then you can sit down and say, if they give public this percentage and they take this percentage. And today, we started talking, God bless you so much. God bless 3 Music. God bless making move on. God bless, because in the history of Ghana, I don't know which dancehall artist will take 8 on a roll like that before for Ghana. And that be me, my prayers for God. Say, God, if you say I not go win award for maybe the time me and Chatta has that problem, I beg you, God, open way for me. I beg you, see the award you go give me for Ghana, make everybody say, give me an award. And me, my God, he never did disappoint me. My God, he never did disappoint me. He do the miracle we I won't make it do. Me now, I play for my album. I talk say wonders. I feature Olami there. I say wonders. Them never see wonders. I talk say Nanek Bona Ghana. Something they come, something that can't happen for Ghana. People they fool say me. I just they talk for my man. I do some music. Shout out they be ruffian guy. If you say in France or they be ruffians, we like them. But what I want to tell you, people, say if we decide for Ghana, if we decide the votes for Ghana, like they can't do election. As you can't do election, then they say no, the votes the people vote. No, it be the for people they vote, but parliament go decide. Huh? Go check politics. You know they like that. The vote will come from Sunyani, you come from Kumasi, you come from Volta region. Those voters they count them, they put them there. They know they take say this one get percentage, this one get percentage. Hey, like Ghana no go be well. Like we not go stay well. Like we not go even sing music for Ghana because it not go be easy for here. And it's everywhere for the world. Every industry know how they do them at sense. If it be bankers alone, we're bankers. They won't decide to have their industry and do certain things certain ways. Yeah, they are bankers. Because bankers, they know they give. They don't get staff for bank way public for vote for the stars for the bank. You know they're like that. These are musicians. We work for everybody. And people love us for our hard work. That'd be so nice. Say this artist win, and you catch this artist in 10. What be so nice about that? Me, everybody know. Me, everybody for Ghana know. So you see, like from the time when me and Chatta have problem up to now. Like I do with Sweep Awards. Man is a hard-working man. Don't see me like that. I'm not a small boy. I'm not a small boy. Man, they work hard. I'm not a small boy. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to compare me to somebody, me alone, if you compare me to some artists come out now, they won't compare me to us. Another one come, they won't compare me to us. And man still there where he did, Amaga. I still did it. I get what I'm saying. This thing is getting out of hand. And before check those things. Otherwise, you go take hurt a whole lot of people. Say if they give public the chance to vote, if they give public the chance to vote. That's why sometimes people after a while saying if some sponsorship people can sponsor, then right now those people, the sponsors know they get insults. Meanwhile, the sponsors will not get those insults. Because the sponsors before say, no, Charlie, we are working with the people. Hey, Charlie, so you won't tell me, say, ask Vodafone they there right now. Vodafone. See the way me, my fans, they buy credits. They vote in sense. So as Vodafone did there, Vodafone will decide, say, no, we don't want certain type of people to buy our credit. Are you telling me that? Music way, it be something where it be open to everybody, where everybody, they love music. You people capture the music and some people want to like, it be them that they control the music for the country. Hey! Oh no, you know if you rule Ghana. No, our music industry is a mess. It's a deep mess. I won't lie to you, it's a mess. It's a mess. Today, Sadiq talk say, yes, Ghana, they have their favorites, you know? And so, yeah, they will choose for the people. Don't do that to the poor pussycat. No. No. Don't do that. Because see, for years to come, sponsors won't take our industry serious. The government body won't take us serious. See, investors won't even come into the music industry. Because we don't have the right product and the materials to send out there to represent us. Because we are watching character. We are watching behavior, the way somebody talk, the way somebody dress. Don't do that too. Don't do that because you see, people like Lady Gaga, them dress code be serious. If people go South Africa and go see some artists, they must just be serious. Like Baja Dimensions. Don't do that. Everybody and the way God create them, everybody and the way God brand them, everybody and the way God they make it, they see music. So if people be music analysts and they think they watch things, they watch music and I beg. Let's think about this thing very well. And respect the public, because if the public way if you do show, they buy tickets. The public, if the public way they buy tickets, come the show. If the public, you know the industry and academic players. If the public. What you want to tell the public? Say them they don't have decision, they don't go fit decide. Hey, so you want to tell me say Ghana elections, the public no they fit decide. Why if you said the president they go campaign? You see what I do for social media? No artists they do, but as I start, and I say some people they start to do the right thing, vote for me, vote for me, vote for me. Because they don't respect that horse. Me, I respect everything way they come with music. I go see Madam Teresa. Me, I see her, hey. No, that is they talk, they tire, they try for we. They try for we. If you just say some people way, yeah, they go decide and things and man can't get problem with these people. But such a nice woman. She really educated me on Ghana Music Awards. That's what we want. Most of you don't